Hello children, Sujata Miss is again here with another video where I'm going to discuss few questions based on food crops for class 10 ICSE. Question number 1. Name the different methods of sowing rice. Which is the best method of growing rice and why? Different methods of sowing rice are: number 1, broadcasting. Now, in this method, sowing seeds by sprinkling them all over the field by hand. They usually sow inferior variety of seeds and so the yield is low. Next, dibbling. Seeds are dropped at regular intervals in the furrows made by farmers. It is, of course, time consuming. Next, drilling. Seeds are dropped through a bamboo shaft attached to it in the furrows. It helps in saving wastage of seeds, but again it is also time consuming. And the best method is transplantation. Seeds are first sown in nurseries. After 4 weeks, children, this time is important. After 4 weeks, when the seedlings are about 20 centimeter tall. Children, this information are important. After 4 weeks, when the seedlings are about 20 centimeter, they are uprooted and planted in the main field. This is the most important method of rice cultivation. Now, what are the advantages of transplantation? Lot of manual labor is required, so scope of employment is more. And uh, when resowing is done, obviously the weeds are removed and less wastage of seeds. So first advantage, lot of manual labor is required. Second advantage, when resowing is done, the weeds are removed. And third, less wastage of seeds. Another Japanese method, it is of course an improved form of transplantation method. Next question. What is the advantage of growing rice in nurseries before it is transplanted? By growing seeds in nurseries, it facilitates: number 1, quickening the germination of seeds; number 2, no wastage of seeds; number 3, using of fertilizers, weeding can be done easily; and number 4, increases the yield. Question number 3. Name the leading producer of rice in India: West Bengal, Tamil Nadu, and Orissa. Question number 4. Name the state where rice is grown as cash crop and why? The answer is Punjab, because wheat is their staple crop. Next question, children. Why West Bengal is the largest producer of rice? West Bengal has a suitable climatic conditions. Temperature around 16 to 32 degrees Celsius. Children, I have highlighted the 16 to 32 degrees Celsius. Rainfall about 150 to 200 centimeter. Plenty of sunshine and fertile alluvial soil. So these all are there in West Bengal, which is very suitable for cultivation of rice. Next, give 3 points of difference between upland and lowland rice. Upland rice grown in mountainous region, lowland rice grown in low-lying regions. Upland rice depends on rainfall only, lowland rice depend on rainfall as well as irrigation. Upland rice, entire crop is used locally. Lowland rice, they have enough to sell in the market as well. State the problems of rice cultivation in India. First problem, yield per hectare is low. Second, farmers do not get suitable price for their crop. Third, disease damage the crop. Fourth, proper storage of rice is not available. Next question. Name 2 states that grow wheat extensively. State 2 geographical conditions necessary for the growth of wheat in India. Wheat is mostly grown in northern parts of India. This crop is extensively grown in the states of Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana. Now, these states have favorable geographical conditions necessary for the cultivation of wheat. And what are the favorable conditions? The temperature of 10 to 15 degrees Celsius at the time of sowing and 20 to 25 degrees Celsius at the time of harvest. Annual rainfall of about 80 centimeter and winter rainfall from the western disturbances is very beneficial. And fertile alluvial soil of this region helps in wheat cultivation. Moreover, all these states have got good network of irrigation. Next question, in which season wheat is grown and why? Wheat is grown in winter season. We all know wheat is a Rabi crop. The low temperature of 10 degrees Celsius to 15 degrees Celsius at the time of sowing and low rainfall of 80 centimeter during winter is very beneficial for the growth of this crop. Name three types of millets: jowar, bajra, ragi. Why are millets referred to as food grains of the poor? They are called as the food grains of the poor because they are hardy crops. So, one point is hardy crops, can grow in, second point, infertile soil and in areas where there is, third point, low rainfall. So, three things: they are hardy crops, can grow in any infertile soil also, and they can grow in areas where they have low rainfall. Moreover, these crops can grow in short duration. Next, why are millets known as dry crops? Millets are number one, hardy, number two, drought, number three, heat resistant plants. Remember these three words. Millets are hardy, drought, and heat resistant plants and therefore can be cultivated in drier parts. So they are known as dry crops. Next, name the most important rotational crop and why. Pulses, the most important rotational crop because they are leguminous crop. It fixes atmospheric nitrogen in the soil and increases the fertility of the soil. Next, give two importance of pulses. First, provide vegetable protein to a very large vegetarian population of India. Second, being a leguminous crop, add nitrogen to the soil. So that's all for today, children. Thank you.